Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in Canva and replace the background. By the end, you'll take a clip shot in front of green and place your subject onto any scene, all inside Canva. Pro tip: using a green screen makes your videos look professional and versatile. You can switch backgrounds as often as you like without reshooting your footage. First, open Canva and sign in. You'll need Canva Pro to access the background remover for video. If you see a crown icon, that's the feature. If you're on a free plan, consider a trial before you start so you can export without watermarks. From the homepage, select Create a Design. Choose Video, and pick Video 16:9 for standard widescreen, or a size that fits your platform. Think ahead about where your video will be posted: square for Instagram feeds, vertical for stories or TikTok, and widescreen for YouTube, to avoid reframing later. On the left sidebar, open Uploads, click Upload Media, and select your video with a clean green backdrop. Even lighting and good contrast will give you the best cutout. Drag the uploaded clip onto the canvas and use the corners to resize and reposition it where you want your subject to appear in the frame. With the clip selected, look above the editor for Edit Video or Effects, depending on your version. Choose Background Remover. Canva analyzes the clip and removes the green, isolating your subject. Give it a moment to process. Longer videos may take a bit. If any green spill remains, try scaling the subject slightly or adjusting placement. Clean edges usually start with well-lit footage. Make sure your subject wears colors that contrast with the green background to make removal faster and cleaner. Avoid green clothing. Now, choose what will sit behind your subject. Browse photos, videos, or elements to find a background image or a looping video. Drag it onto the canvas, then send it behind your subject using position and backward. Scale the background so it fills the frame, and match the horizon line or perspective so the composite feels natural. Fine-tune the scene by resizing or cropping the subject layer. If you like, add text, music, or simple graphics to reinforce your story. Keep motion and color in mind. A subtle background works best so your subject remains the focus. Click play to preview. Watch the edges, especially around hair and fast movement, and make sure the subject doesn't drift out of frame. For longer clips, you can remove the green screen from sections individually to maintain clean edges, especially if the lighting changes slightly. When you're happy, click share, then download. Choose MP4 video for smooth playback across platforms and wait for Canva to render your file. That's it. Your green screen is gone, your new environment is in place, and your video is ready to share. For future projects, choose a canvas size that matches where your video will live, such as square for feeds or vertical for stories, so you won't need to reframe later. And when recording, keep the green screen evenly lit and avoid shadows to make removal faster and cleaner. Using these tips will help your videos look professional and polished every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, video tutorials, and creative hacks. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new video.